everyone, welcome back to Diabtron. In today's video, we're uncovering a sneaky truth. Some of the things we use every day around our house could be attracting bugs without us even realizing it. We're diving into 8 common household items that are secretly inviting these little critters inside. Stick around till the end and I'll share some easy tips to keep these bugs at bay. So let's get started. 1. Damp towels and sponges. Did you know that damp towels and sponges are basically like bug buffet? Bugs like cockroaches and ants love moisture, and a damp towel or sponge provides the perfect environment for them to thrive. That musty odor? Yeah, it's practically an invitation for bugs to feast. What you can do: make sure to dry your towels properly and wring out your sponges. Even better, swap out sponges regularly or use microfiber cloths that dry faster. 2. Open trash cans. Here's a no-brainer. Your trash can is a treasure trove for bugs. Leftover food, crumbs, and even liquid waste can attract flies, cockroaches, and ants like magnets. Even with the lid, if your trash can is not emptied regularly, it's a perfect breeding ground. What you can do: use trash cans with tight-fitting lids and make sure to empty them regularly. Also, give your trash bins a good clean every now and then to remove any sticky residues. 3. Fruit bowls. The beautiful fruit bowl on your kitchen counter might not just be eye candy for you. Fruit flies are super attracted to ripe and overripe fruits, especially bananas. Once they find your fruit, they start breeding, and before you know it, they have taken over. What you can do: check your fruit often and remove anything that's too ripe. Storing fruits like apples and bananas in the fridge can also help reduce the attraction for fruit flies. 4. Pet food bowls. Do you leave out pet food for your fur babies all day long? Well, bugs love pet food just as much as your pets do. Ants, roaches, and even rodents are attracted to kibble and wet pet food. What you can do? Don't leave pet food out overnight. Serve your pets fresh meals and clean their bowls regularly. For extra protection, store dry pet food in airtight containers. 5. Houseplants. Yes, even your beloved houseplants can be an issue. The moist soil in potted plants can attract fungus gnats, which are tiny flies that thrive in a damp soil. If your plants are overwatered, it can make things even worse. What you can do? Avoid watering your plants and use well-draining soil. If you notice fungus gnats, let the soil dry out between waterings and consider using a natural pesticide. 6. Dirty dishes in the sink. Leaving dirty dishes in the sink overnight? You might as well be rolling out the red carpet for bugs like ants and cockroaches. The food residue and moisture are irresistible to these critters. What you can do? Wash dishes after every meal, or at least rinse them off thoroughly so there's no leftover food or liquids. Try not to leave them in the sink for too long, especially overnight. 7. Crumbs and food spills. You might not notice those tiny crumbs or little food spills, but trust me, the bugs do. Ants, especially, are quick to find even the smallest bits of food. If you have kids, you know how easily crumbs end up everywhere. What you can do? Sweep and wipe down surfaces regularly, especially after cooking or eating. Don't forget those hard-to-reach places like under the couch or behind the fridge. 8. Standing water. Standing water, whether it's in the sink, bathtub, or even in a plant saucer, is a huge attraction for bugs, especially mosquitoes. These little pests love stagnant water for breeding. What you can do? Fix leaky faucets, empty any water that accumulates in plant saucers, and make sure there's no water sitting around in dishes or sinks. This will make your home less appealing to thirsty bugs. Now that you know the common household items that are secretly attracting bugs, here are the few bonus tips to keep them out of your home. 1. Seal entry points. Make sure windows and doors are properly sealed. Bags can squeeze through even the tiniest gaps. 2. Use natural repellents. Essential oils like peppermint and eucalyptus are great for repelling bugs. A quick spray around the house can do wonders. 3. Regular cleaning. Keep a consistent cleaning routine to avoid letting crumbs or food residue accumulate. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks to keep your home bug free. Let me know in the comments if you have experienced any bug invasions and what tricks you use to keep them out of your home. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!